He's headed up higher ground.
Let me let you go on the shore. Take a look.
Hi. You be careful, you hear?
I'm getting tired of this spot.
You have no patience.
I like action. I ain't getting no action. I won't go somewhere else.
I think we ought to go back to that space where you was hitting them pretty hard a while ago. If you want to move.
I want to go back somewhere I already been. New places.
Oh, Lord. Help us, Jesus. I named you both the prayer closet. We are in the prayer closet. Look. And it's not like we ain't praying. Excuse me. It's not like I ain't praying. Because you be driving, so I be praying. Earnest.
Trying to be
Earnest.
funny.
Earnest prayers. Y'all, we thumped the... Oh, my goodness. Did y'all see that big old fish popping up? Pretty. We thumped a log a while ago, like to scare me to death.
She scares her own self.
I did not. I did not. He scared me. I don't know where I am. He just took me back here somewhere.
See what I got in here. Man, I ain't picked that color yet. Hot pink.
Brother Phil's caught 9 or 10. He's caught, I think, 5 or 6. I've got lots of bites and stuff, but sitting here taking a break because my leg's tired. There's some fish we got down in there.
What color, Lord?
Hey, shh, be quiet. They're flopping right there.
I'm asking the Lord what color. Hush. Stop it. To the Lord.
Yeah.
I'm on prayer and supplication.
Prayer closet. I need to get my Cricut machine out and make up a sign for that. And put it on the side of the boat. Y'all, it's so beautiful today. This whole week has been amazing. I think we're probably about 73 right now, 4 maybe. Someone said we might get up close to 80 today.
Feels like close to 80.
You think it's that hot?
It's getting there.
I still got my long sleeve shirt over my t-shirt. I don't know about that. Hey, y'all. Y'all need to come fishing. We are fishing for the fish fry today, so y'all be in prayer. We need lots of fishes. We're praying for lots of people.
He said he's going to fish till dark.
Brother Phil, did he bring food? I've got peanut butter and jellies and chips.
Peanut butter jelly time.
There he is. He's changing the color. Going pink and chartreuse.
There may be a few females out there like that color.
They might. Sister Pam, I appreciate y'all helping our friends Alan and Corey. Sister Kay, thank y'all so much. Excuse me, I said it wrong. Sitter Kay. We love and appreciate y'all. We miss y'all. You know, I miss fishing down there. Fishing down there is way better. We've told the people up here they don't really know what fishing is till you go down to the Delta to fish.
You got big old bugs like you got down there.
They compete for the fish.
Oh, that's perfect.
That was a good cast. Sure was. I should have got that on video. Sister Pam or Putt Putt's here. Say hello.
Hey, Putt Putt.
It's a little island. We're fishing.
Fishing for Galamo shad. Man, there's one just jumped up down there.
That's the same one I saw, right? Kind of under where the overhang tree. Yeah, he's down there. He's down there feeding. I don't know.
I'm ready.
Just quit driving me nuts with that. Well, I better get to fishing. But I was just going to say, hey, y'all. That's the Brother Fields down there. He's caught a bunch. He is some more crappie fisherman. Or sacolite, as they call it down in Louisiana. Good fishing.
Need an umbrella. All right, get off that thing.
Okay, I got a fish.